Hey guys, we are back again with another video, but we gotta be shh because our parents is asleep.
So,
our baby sisters is asleep because
And our
my slime
parents.
and my slime got messed up. So we are back again with another slime video challenge. Welcome back. This is our kitchen.
don't show our kitchen.
I mean, this part is our kitchen. So that's just a little bit, but do not look back there. Just look at this. And but I can't make no slime now because my little sister right here used all of my glue.
Give me some here. Oh, no, slime.
Huh? Let me feel your slime. This is another slime that we made. This is another slime that we made. This is another